camera is compact, lightweight and portable. 34 megapixels with 135 degrees ultra-wide angle. Max frames up to 60p per second. Max 128G storage capacity. Strong battery for nearly 14 hours continuous recording. Around 200 hours standby time. Functions: start up and off. Long press the power key. The device is in standby mode with a green light up. Hold the power key for off at any status. Video recording. In a standby mode, press the video to start or stop recording. Red light up while working. When recording, press menu to choose file video resolution. Press PTT or exclamation mark for up, down, left or right choice. Then confirmation by OK button. One-touch recording. In the shutdown mode, press and hold the video key. Trigger one-touch recording. Key mark. During video recording, pressing exclamation mark can mark the video as an important file, while showing an exclamation mark on LCD upper right corner. Audio recording. After startup of this device, press audio to record audio in the real time with yellow light. Again, press this button to turn off. Photograph. In the status of startup, press the camera key to take pictures. Press the camera key while in video recording to capture. Before taking, press menu to choose pictures resolution. There are 4 type modes: 8M, 12M, 14M, and 34M. Press PTT or exclamation mark for up, down, left or right choice. Then confirmation by OK button. Also can set continuous shooting mode of max 20 shots, confirmed by OK. Focalization. In the status of standby or video record, press menu to adjust the focus. Hold button to enlarge the focal length, again for narrow. Flashlight. In the status of standby, long press camera to open or close the flashlight. View light. In the status of standby, long press exclamation mark to open or close the view light. Night vision. In the dark environment, long press audio key to open or close the infrared night vision. Native playback. When view the recorded file, press return key to enter the file browse. Select a video, photograph, audio record, and playback. Documents that have been marked will be obviously showed. PTT and exclamation mark key can adjust the fast forward and fast backward. Charger. Connecting the charger when battery is low. Indicator white light is on when charging and off when full. Management software settings. Put the CD into computer and open the CD. Connect the device to computer by USB. GPS video play.